This is a beautiful 1936 Underwood Junior typewriter. It has been fully refurbished and it is ready to type. This 1936 Underwood Junior typewriter is in great condition. It's been fully refurbished. Everything on it works as it should. It has brand new rubber feet installed. The glass keys look really nice. It does have a few nicks and scuffs here and there. Not too many. Just a little bit of a nick in the corner here. The plant and feed rollers are in great shape. The part of the U on the Underwood is faded a little bit. The gold is rubbed off just a little. It really looks pretty good. The left knob is not missing. That's just the way it was designed. That's a 1936 Underwood Junior typewriter.